Whoa! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Whoa.
What's up? So, if y'all haven't been caught up with their channel.
Well, I mean, they probably have been caught up with the channel. We haven't posted anything in forever. Oh, whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. What are these?
What is this, dude?
Whoa, what is this? What are you doing with this?
So this kind of just serves the purpose of a tow truck, vehicle. I bought it from a fella who...
Some of you may or may not know.
Taylor Ray.
Yeah.
So y'all probably know more than Chuck than I do. It's a 7.3. Why a 7.3? Cause 6.0 sucked.
So
7.3 reliability. They're super slow.
So anyways, so we flew out to Orlando, Florida. What was it, like a couple weeks ago now?
Yeah.
It's like a couple weeks ago. We flew out to Orlando. We bought this thing, or Denny bought this thing, and we drove it all the way back to Texas. We had...
That's our second time we drive to Florida.
Yeah, we had a bit of a mishap. Hey, Denny. Denny.
What's up, man?
So, we haven't even told anybody what the truck is yet, but, so what's been, what just happened to us?
Well, I just prayed because the truck turned on. So, I guess on a 99 model 7.3, I guess sending units usually go out and they don't read correctly. So whenever it's at like a little less than a quarter tank or around a quarter tank, you're actually in empty. So quick story, explain what happened
version,
today.
we're idiots. And we were like, let's find out how long this tank can go. I mean, we're not idiots, we didn't know. I mean, we trusted the seller's word that it would go to empty. But like, you know, probably should have filled it up, our fault, but. Yeah, so the truck ran out of fuel on the highway.
Yeah.
And we had to get it towed from about 10 miles from the Alabama border in Florida into Alabama, got fuel, wouldn't start, ended up priming the fuel system. It started and it runs now.
Now to this car. Tell us about it.
It's probably the first 240 you've seen on YouTube that will not be a drift car.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
I don't believe it.
It's a 91 240. It's a SR20. Stock interior, full interior, AC, heat, all that fun stuff. Got my Lone Star Drift Tech Street Legal trophy on here. Just point that out. But basically I went and saw the car. It was super clean. Ran great. No issues with it. The only thing it does need is it needs the front clip painted. But, you know, Denny's a beater, he can do that for me.
All right, tell me about it.
So this is, actually it's a complete knockoff of a good turbo. So the Garrett GTX 2871R is a pretty popular upgrade for these. This is a journal bearing version of it. I got this for $300.
That's a win.
Yeah. So this probably gonna make like 330, something like that. Bigger injectors.
How long will he go without drifting the car? I don't like, unless you sell it, I call BS. Bro, that thing is...
Oh, look at that. Oh crap, it's really broken now. Can you Jeffy it for me? Did it do anything? Did it work? Okay, there we go.
Why? Why a 4-cylinder?
That thing.
Well, that's the problem. I don't see it. So
Okay, well it's small, but small things can do great things, okay?
it's not about the size.
It's about the motion of the ocean. I know how to make the lighting better in here. Happy Halloween! Okay, is it time for a pull?
Go for it.
All right, first gear.
Hold up.
donut?
Let me like hold my head so I don't like bang the fucking window.
I'm gonna roll the windows down.
I need to stop cussing, man.
All right, are you ready?
Go for it.
Oh man, that hurt.
Hell yeah!
Smells so good.
She might need some welding. All right, we'll see y'all later, guys.